Are you okay in there?
Yeah. Yeah, picture, picture. Oh. Oy, dito na. Yeah, yeah. Naka-video yan, naka-video. Video.
Well, get a picture. Get a picture, get a picture.
Meron ka bang
Ha?
Meron ka packet?
Look at her, anak. She finished the basket. Oh no.
Ready? 1, 2, go.
Wala pa ka pa.
Okay.
Oh no, be careful.
What the?
Papa, be careful.
Okay. Ice cream, ice cream.
Kaliwa kayo, kaliwa.
Ha? Bike with my son and my granddaughters.
Kanan. Kanan.
Why?
Dito na, para wala sasakyan.
Woohoo! Woo! Follow me.
Follow the leader.
Okay. Ah. You almost hit the garbage truck. Oh, do not go to the road.
Hi.
Hi. Naiwan. Still, go. Parang nagbabike sila eh. No, tinaroon mo. Oo.
Neng, practice ka, Neng.
Yeah.
Eh, it's not too late.
Yeah.
I don't have a helmet.
Oo, dapat may helmet yan. Dahil ano, baka babago. Uy, may squirrel oh. Yun, oh. Squirrel yan eh. Here's the winner! Coming, the winner! Tired. Oh, gutom. Yeah. Tanggal yung buffet. Ito, lisikan. Bana. And where is the third? Missing. Where is he? Where is he?
The water.
Ah,
Go to the water. Huwag yan, Neng.
wag nga ano. The third runner-up is Kristen. The third one.
I gotta call. I'll probably
Sprint! Oh, the Fast and the Furious! The Fast and the Furious! Woohoo! Ayan, the Fast. Kita yung ano, itim! And now we are resting for a while for the second lap. This is the bicycle tournament in the Google Park.
Olympic.
Yeah, this is ready for the Olympic 2028 cycling. That's from Canada against USA.
No, I'm representing.
What representing? Korea. Who is representing Japan?
I'm also representing Australia.
Australia. Okay, this guy. So check him out.
Are you in?
Yes. Right.
Where are we gonna go?
You know, sorry na. Okay, just
Okay, let's.
yeah,
I don't
just
wanna get caught by the police.
okay. Okay. Do what you do. Okay. Here you go. There. You. Return all the bikes. This is the place where the bike is being returned after using it and return it here. Thank you for the Google bike. After bike. Water. Google bike. Free. Free of rent. That is the Fast and the Furious. The Fast and the Furious coming. Oh, see? Oh.